Hello friends, welcome back. Hope all of you are in good health. Today we'll be discussing about alphabets. Yes, again alphabets. Those who have already gone through my previous videos, you know that we have discussed A to D already. So today we'll start from the letter E. And we'll also revise the alphabets A to D. So let's start with E. Letter E. The sound of E is E, eh. The letter F. The sound of letter F is F, F. The letter G. The sound of letter G is G, G. Letter H. The sound of letter H is H, H. Now in my previous videos of A to D, you have seen that I have made some flashcards with cardboards, but these letters I have just cut it out from the cardboards directly. This will be very good for any kind of activity for tracing and all, so I have cut out all the letters from the cardboard. You can see in my video. The big book of alphabets, we'll start with the letter E again. E, eh, elephant. E, eh, egg. E, eh, engine. E, eh, eye. F, F, flag. F, fan. F, fish. F, frog. G, grapes. G, giraffe. G, girl. G, globe. H, house. H, hammer. H, helicopter. H, hen. Now I'll revise A, B, C and D. A, apple. A, aeroplane. A, alien. A, aquarium. B, banana. B, biscuits. B, book. B, butterfly. C, cat. C, cake. C, camera. C, computer. D, doll. D, deer. D, dice. D, drum. And along with that, you also revise the alphabets E to H. So this week, whoever has started with A to D in the last week, you can introduce E to H this week. Along with that, just keep on revising A to D. So once they are well acquainted with these 4 letters also, then you start these 8 letters together. Like revise these 8 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. All together you revise these 8 letters. Afterwards we'll move on again to the next letters. Now I have planned some activities, like some fun activities for the children. I'll directly move on to the activity right now. For this activity, I have already traced the letters E, F, G and H on a white paper like this. And we need some glue, one brush to put the glue, and we need some pulses. First we'll put some glue and fill the letter E like this. Always keep on speaking to your little kid, whatever the activity is. Come on baby, we are doing one activity on these letters now. Now fill up this with some glue, fill up the letter E with some glue, and we'll fill up all the letters this way. You can help them in filling the letters with the glue a little bit, but let them do on their own also. You just hold their hand for some time and sometimes they may do on their own. Okay. Once the letters are filled up with the glue properly, now you take the pulses and ask them to put it like this. They can put it anywhere. They needn't put it just on the E, because wherever the glue is, it will stick only over there. They'll just love doing this activity. Children love holding all these things. So press gently like this after putting the pulses. Any kind of pulses you can take. And now, magic! See, all the letters have come up so well. They'll just love to do it. After they have done this, put the sheet beside the blocks of E and ask them to match each letter like this. See, E. Now, is this matching with this? Ask them, is this matching? See carefully. No, this one is matching with this. Now, F. Now, G and H. We have learnt about these 4 letters today. Once you're done with the sheet, this is just for your reference. I am telling you, you can do that. You just name alphabet craft activity and the name of your kid and the date, and keep all this kind of small activities which your kid is doing at this age in a folder, so that they can just have a glimpse of them when they grow older and they'll enjoy doing that. I'm sure they'll like that at that moment and they'll relish that. Keep watching for more such fun-filled activities for kids and more on homeschooling. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Bye-bye.